Hello. So, as you said, uh, I will verify firstly if the VPN is connected, is on my phone. I will choose connections. More connection settings. And the VPN is not. The VPN is deactivated. So, I will connect the power cable to the dash cam.
Please connect your app to activate the dash cam.
Okay, and I will try to connect the app to the dash cam. I will choose the dashcam Omni X200. Next, and I will try to search the dashcam to connect. The issue of the dashcam is after reset on power dashcam, the hotspot can't activate. I don't know what's happened, but the app cannot connect to the dashcam because its hotspot cannot activate. I will try to find on Wi-Fi connection if the hotspot is enabled on dashcam. And as you see, just a moment please. As you see, the hotspot cannot turn on. Can't find the Omni dashcam. Search again. Search another one if the Wi-Fi hotspot is activated. No. And the result is the dashcam cannot connect to the app. So tell me, how can I reset the dashcam or reinstall the software, or how can I resolve this issue? The issue is the dashcam Omni cannot turn on after reset his mobile hotspot. Thank you very much.